Do you know LibreOffice? It's a free suite for personal and office productivity. It comprises several applications: a word processor, a spreadsheet, a presentation software, one to manage databases, one for drawings, and one for math. With it, you can create great-looking documents like letters, brochure, books, invoices, or whatever. As a matter of fact, I've been using it myself since 2011, both for my professional and my personal life. I write letters to customers, brochures for my courses, I send invoices, write ebooks, and presentations. And as a public speaking ambassador, I use a lot Impress, the presentation software. LibreOffice is easy to use, is very productive, and extremely powerful. And most of all, LibreOffice is completely free and always will be. And not only LibreOffice supports the open document formats, the new one, but also it supports the legacy formats from Microsoft like the Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So it gives you the freedom of using the old ones or the new one when you open, when you manipulate, or when you want to save a document. I decided to share my knowledge on LibreOffice so that you can take advantage of this great suite and you can create documents that looks great, a spreadsheet with your calculus or presentation and everything else you can use LibreOffice for. Plus, it gives you the freedom to choose if you want to use the legacy formats or the open standards. This installment is about Impress, the presentation application. Inside you will see how to design beautiful and effective visual aids for your presentations and how to use them when you face the audience. The course has been continuously updated over the years and the price has risen accordingly. And so if you get in now, you have actually no risk at all. You have the 30 days money back guarantee, plus you will get all the new lectures that are coming in the future included at this fixed price. So it's better for you if you click on it now. See you inside the course where I'll show you how to get the most out of the LibreOffice suite for you.